Oh my god. Is this really real? Ba to? Grabe. Oh my god! Aray ko. Ouch. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's see. Wow. Hi guys, and I'm back. This is my journey. For today's video, we will be going to do the unboxing review of the ring light that's right over here that I got from Amazon. So actually, this is the continuation of the video from the video backdrop review unboxing. So if you watch that video, you know what I mean. So don't be confused if I'm wearing the same shirt on that video, because I made it same day. So yeah, anyway, moving forward, this ring light I got from Amazon. This is from Neewer company, and this is 14 inches LED with 36 watts in 5500 K lightning kit with soft tube, and then color filter, hot shoe adapter, Bluetooth receiver for makeup, and then camera, smartphone, YouTube video shooting. So you have two options, guys. They have 14 inches and then 18 inches. The 14 inches is cost like $95, while the 18 inches is $115. So I got the 14 inches because I know that 14 inches is enough for my makeup vlog, while the 18 inches is too big. It's huge, as in, you know. And I think that 18 inches is using for what's this, photo shoot. So yeah, I just give you a heads up for that. So we will proceed to opening of the box, and then we will put it together. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start. Okay, this is the box, guys. Oh my god, it's heavy. This is only the ring light. Yeah, because the other box of the tripod is separate. It's separate in the different box. Oh my god, I thought this is only a dream having this, you know, because I'm kinda kuripot. Because if you convert it to Philippine peso, this like 5,000 pesos or 5 to 6,000 pesos, I guess. And for me, that price is really pricey. So yeah, but now I have na. Oh my god, para akong 24K girl. Hesper, buksan mo na! Oh my god. And let's open it. I can't wait, guys. Promise, I'm so excited. Nilalamig ako. So, charang, 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 charang! Oh my god! Halo! I said, be the halo, halo, halo! Be the halo, halo! Hala! Ito na siya! Yeah! 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 Ah, diba? Saya lang. Ayan siya. This is LED. Yeah. God, I'm so happy, guys. You know, I've been struggling making my video, you know, for a couple of months, you know, because I'm just using a natural light. Alright, so it comes with two color filters. One is the orange and one is the white. So later we will put it together. So this also comes with adapter charger. And the adapter charger, as you can see, it looks like a charger of the laptop, right? And this is together with this cord, connecting cord, and you're just gonna connect it just like that, very easy. And then it comes with also another cord, and this is input voltage 110 to 240 volt. Alright, so let's move to the stand. For the stand, this is a folded height 29.53 inches or 75 centimeter with maximum height 61.2 inches or 155 centimeter. Alright, just let's read the manual. Okay, so first step is installation of light stand. Okay, so let's go for this to the light stand first. Okay, so folding state. Step 1 is folding state. Hold the middle pole of light stand with one hand and draw out the stand legs with the other hand. Then adjust the stand legs to the angle you want. Okay. Alright, so first step is installation of soft tube. Alright, so by doing installation of soft tube, you'll need to loosen the screw at the end of the soft tube, then attach to the top of the light stand and tighten the screw again. Alright, so for you to achieve the different photography effects, soft tube can be bent over to some degree to help you freely adjust the angle of the ring light. Alright, so let's move to the installation of light stand. For installation of light stand, you need to hold the middle of pole light stand with one hand and draw out the stand legs with the other hand. Then adjust the stand legs to angle you want. And then loosen the screw of the middle pole, extend the light stand to the height you want, and then tighten the screw again. Okay. Okay, so let's put it together. So let's put the ring light to the light stand now. So by doing that, you would need to loosen the screw at the bottom of the ring light base and then attach the ring light to the soft tube and then tighten the screw again to secure the ring light. Alright. Okay. Okay, so you can adjust the angle of the ring light by bent over and then adjust the thing on the side. Alright. And then let's move to the installation of color filter. I'm gonna put this white filter first. Alright, and then the mount is on the bottom of the ring light. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this connecting cord to the adapter. Just gonna show this on how you put this camera holder. So this one, and then you're just gonna tighten it. If you want to tighten it, you're just gonna twist this. Just make sure that it's balanced like that. Right, so it's balanced now and it's not moving. Okay, so let's install the smartphone by placing the ball head on the ring light cold shoes female base and screw it tightly. Then put the smartphone in place. Then align the 1/4 thread hole at the bottom of phone holder with the 1/4 screw on the ball head and screw them tightly. Nandito pala siya. Alright guys, are you ready? So excited. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! So basically, this is the lower light, and then this is the second, third, fourth, and then the oh my god.
Let's go.
I'm doing the unboxing review.
Come on.
Okay, so This is how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like with ring light on and with the light in this room. Right? So just a real quick, guys, I'm just gonna turn it off, this light that I'm always using in this room. Alright. So this is how it looks like with ring light only. And this is the lesser bright. It's like number 1. And then I will show it to you how the bright it can get it for this ring light. So this is number 1. This is number 2. I will adjust the dimmer. So yeah. Oh my god, it's so bright. And I feel so amazed. This is so beautiful lightning, guys, promise. You know, this is a reasonable price for you. Alright. Oh my god, it hurts on my eyes. Okay. So this is the brightest light for this ring light. Don't like it. So I'm gonna turn it down. Okay. So now I'm using only a Canon camera S. PowerShot SX730HS. Yeah. So I will adjust my camera so you can see. That kind of price. Imagine, it's $95 for this, but you know, it's fine if you really wanted the thing, and you know, for the fact that it's reasonable price, why not, right? So that's why I bought this also, because you know, I know that this is really will help for my videos, for my upcoming video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like it. I really enjoyed the video for today. So if you have questions, please let me know. I'm just gonna put all the details in the description box. And if you want to share your experience about this item, please let me know your suggestions and your thoughts. It's really important for me, so I can share it to others, especially for those who really wanted to purchase this ring light, right? So yeah, that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, so every time I upload a new video, you'll get notified. Alright? So see you on my next video, guys. Love you. Bye bye.